Bob Marshall here, Typewriter Muse. I thought it'd be fun to do a really nice video of what it takes for us to get a typewriter going. You can see here we have a typewriter. This is a 1950 Lettera 22. It's a very special model for many reasons, mostly because it has an international keyboard. You need a pound sign, you need a tilde, you need an umlaut. It's got it all, and it's on the QWERTY keyboard or English keyboard that we're used to. We start by always getting rid of all the dust and debris that we can in the machines. Please disregard my footwear in this particular video. But blowing it all out, you can look at the end of my nozzle gun there, and you can see I've wrapped it in hockey stick tape just to keep it from banging on any paint or any metal on the machine. Once it's all blown out, we'll go ahead and go back through with a toothbrush as well as a chip brush and just try to get any other debris that may be stuck to any of the metal parts. The human debris, dust, all the things, that's what really kills these machines. So real big on getting all that out. As I go through the process, I'll end up blowing it out a few times. This is the biggest part of any typewriter service. The internal cleaning of internal mechanisms. The exterior is only about 10% of the actual cleaning or polishing of the machine. But here you can see I'm cleaning the guides as well as the rollers that the ribbon sits on. And that's important. It'll keep it from gumming up. This is a very satisfying process here, cleaning the actual platen. The rubber on this platen was good, and I suspect replaced in the last 10 years or so. We use, it's referred to as a durometer of the platen. We use a Shore A measurement for rubber. This one worked out at 90%, so it turned out good. Taking off the bottom of the machine always exposes more dust and debris that may be in the machine, so it's nice to get in there, clean it out, blow it out a few more times. But there's going to be adjustments, whether it's the height of the shift or getting the ribbon advance circuits working correctly. All these things have to work together, and if any of them don't work together, you end up with a machine that doesn't work right. I like to lube everything, and then I clean the lube out, lube it all, get it going, then clean the lube out, most of the lube out, to make sure the machine is adjusted correctly and will run on its own. This is a lot of fun. I enjoy taking the Dremel, and I take just a regular Q-tip, stick it in the Dremel, and you can really get a lot done. The cotton on the end of a Q-tip can really absorb a lot. As with any machine, we'll probably go through 200 or 300 Q-tips. Maybe it's 1,000. Let's just say 1,000 Q-tips per machine. That seems to be what I do. Between Q-tip and isopropyl alcohol for the cleaning, there's a lot we go through to get it all going. I'm just using a general cleaner here, probably a simple green or something like that, just to make sure that there isn't any rust or anything built up. On this particular machine, the leather rest was in pretty good shape, so I took it out, conditioned it, and gave it some more tack glue, some crafting glue, Gorilla Snot, whatever you want to call it. That's just a rubber band holding all the arms up. We're going to release it and let all the arms back down. This particular machine was gifted to us from a collector in the Midwest, so we had to polish some of the Midwest off of it. This is about 10% of the actual process of polishing. But you can see we get it all done and test it, and we'll let it sit for a few days and then test it again and put it out on the showroom floor. We got a really nice case for it. If you'd like to make an appointment, come on by and play with our typewriters. Available by appointment, Riverside, California, Typewriter Muse, getting typewriters resurrected and re-going for the public.